Hello, everyone. I will explain about the staircase today. Okay, how we can create the sketch, the staircase, and how we can able to create the materials. Okay, right. So first of all, I can go to choose the staircase. And after that, here you can find out the create sketch. Okay, right. So I just started from here. So here you can find out here to here. I'll go for around 2000, and here I can just go for around 2000. And here I can go for around 2600. Right, so this is a way I created my stair boundary. Okay, right. After that, if you want, I can just remove this one, and so I can go for my arc boundary. So I created this one also 1000 radius. Now I can go back to my offset, so I can get it around 950. Okay, here to here and here to here. I can choose 950 and I can go back to my connection here. So I create the boundary. I did the boundary. Now I can go back to my riser. So I can create the riser somewhere here. Again, I can create the riser somewhere here. Okay. Now I can go for the trade. So I can go to choose 250 mm. So this is my trade I created. So here it's showing 19 remaining. So I can just apply the staircase again here also. Okay. So this is a trade I can apply. So four more, so I can go for one, two, three, and I can go for another one. Now after that, I can go to choose my corner, so I can activate like this. So I did this one. So first of all, I did this one. After that, I can go for the stairs path. So I can create this one like this way. Okay, and after that, I can go for this way. I can create like this. I did this one. Okay, and applied. So I did my staircase. I can go to choose my 3D. So this is the way I did my staircase. So after that, I can just select this one. I can go to choose the precast. So I can go to choose concrete material. Now you can find out. So this is the way I created. Here you can find out my railing. It's showing like this way. So if you want, I can able to change that one also. Right, the system is automatically generated this one. Right. Okay. Now I can go to choose my staircase here. Okay. Go to edit. Here you can find out the run type. You can go to choose here. Here you can find out the materials, trade materials. Okay. Right. So the trade materials, if you want, you can go to choose here. Go to find out. Uh, Otherwise, you can go for find out the floor material. Okay. So I can choose the floor material. So this is cut pattern. So this pattern also, if you want, I can change it. So otherwise, I leave the pattern is non apply it. Right. So trade the thread thickness. So if you want, I can go for thread thickness. I can go for 5. Okay, for example. Okay. After that, I just apply. So first of all, I have to check this one. It will be, yeah. See, you can find out this is the way I create the thickness, right? So again, I can go back to my run type. I can make it around 20, and the same time I can go to choose my riser. I tick my riser also 20. I can make it that uh, default. Uh, okay, I can keep it default and apply, right? So now you can find out. So I created this tool, but here again I can choose it, go to edit, so I can go back to my runtime. Um, okay, here I can choose my uh, floor material. Okay, done. Apply. So now you can find out. So this is the way I created my materials. So after that, I can go to choose, go to edit. Here I can go to apply this. Um, the styles or single line or double line, so I just leave from here first. Okay, I can go to choose my support. I can go for the stringer, and here also I can go for the stringer. Apply. Okay, so I created like this type, but it's not possible, so better again I can select. I can go for, I can go to choose the another type, carriage. So now you can find out it's created like this. See? So otherwise you can select this one. You can leave this one without this thing because this is a concrete staircase. So right there. Right. Okay. Now you can find out this is the way I created my staircase. Okay. Now I can go back to my level one. I can choose my camera view. I can choose it this one. So here you can find out the way I created the staircase. So I hope you understand this tutorial. Thank you so much.